targets deep in the heartland of the enemy. And the kind of economic condition that exists in Pakistan, we all know. Otherwise, some of the very few attrition which occurred with our Indian Air Force did occur because every time there is an operation of this magnitude, all forces who go for an operation are ready for attrition. For some percentage of attrition, that is all acceptable. So if you see the PL missiles which are fired from the Chinese aircraft platform were quite active on the first night. In the corner, so nobody knows, be positive about it. The second one was, if I got it right, was the identification and making sure that the terrorists are still there when we attack their or engage their targets, like the ones, 9 of them that we engaged. Like I told you, to some extent it was a surprise. I mean, we kept it, as we all know, though there were statements coming on and off, aggressive statements, but the government was keeping the cards close to their chest. And these places, like the country, if you've seen, like most of our ladies also watch their Pakistani dramas, the normal Pakistani may not be very inclined towards terrorism. So they have to be in a confined space as far as their training is concerned and their indoctrination is concerned. So it is very less maneuver space for them, especially in built-up areas. Now the third one about the blackout. No, if you notice on the second night, we had these loiter munitions, these low-cost drones, which are manufactured in Turkey and which were extensively used by Ukraine because they are low cost. They cost about $1 lakh or 2 lakhs with a very small payload. And some of them are FPVs, which are first-person visible. They are tracked. So I agree with you as far as the fighter pilots are concerned. Pakistan has a 4th generation fighter jets from China and F-16s. So they don't require lights to target Chandigarh or any other place. But definitely, to my mind, the use of drones may get affected in case there is light. And second is also, it's more psychological, is to keep our citizens and make our citizens aware that the country is at war. And you must be disciplined in the way you live, in the way you proceed with your thing, and the civil defense that you need to adopt. Manufacturing industry and defense equipment shot up by about 20%. This was told to me by my golfer friend, and you know that speaks volumes of our yes. The first one is I'll reply in Punjabi. Dane khatam ho gaya unhone. So they asked for a ceasefire, and second one is anybody's guess, but there is no smoke without fire. That I leave it at that.
Yeah,